Hey guys, welcome to the ServiceNow world, and today we'll see part 28 of scenario-based interview questions in ServiceNow. As you know, in this series we are discussing about all the real-time scenarios as well as I can say scripting questions which are given by interviewer during interview. So without any delay, let's see today's task. So today's task is that if more than 5 incidents are created for the same configuration item, then create a problem record and linked with related active incidents. So basically, if the incident are created more than 5 for the same configuration item, in that case we have to create a problem record and linked those incidents with that problem record. Okay. So some of you may who is following my series, they will ask like I have already covered this problem statement in my last video, that is part 27. So just want to let you know for your reference, like there I have used the business tool where like that is full of scripting. Okay, so today I'm not going to use the business rule. Today I'll follow the no codes. So there I'm going to create a flow, and using the flow how I can accomplish this task, that I'll show you. So without any delay, let's go to the instance and try to implement it. So currently we are in an instance. Okay, so firstly what we need to do, firstly we have to disable that business rule which we have created previously into the into the part 27. Okay, so I'll just go to the business tools, and you see that like create problem for repetitive incidents. I'll just make it inactive. And if you interested to know like what I have done in part 27, so just watch it. I'll put that link for part 27 into the description. Okay, and now I'm click on all. I'm just going searching flow designer. So today I'm going to create a flow for that, and same functionality we'll try to we'll try to accomplish using flow. Yes, here I'll just click on new, click on flow, and here I'll put the flow name create problem for repeated incidents, and I click on build flow. And after that, firstly we have to add a trigger condition, means when this flow will get triggered. So I'll select create record and update it. Okay, and here I'll select our table name when incident record is created or updated. Okay, and I'll put the additional filter condition same like business tool, like configuration item is not empty. Okay, so our trigger condition is ready. Now what we need to do, we have to firstly found all the count. Whenever any new incident got created, we have to check what is the current count of those incidents which having the same configuration ID which we put into the newly created incident. Okay, so for that I'll just click on here and click on action. I'll just search for lookup for records. I'll just select it, and here I'll just drag and drop incident table in the table, because I just want to look up on the incident table, right? And what kind of records we are looking on, like configuration item is like incident record configuration item, means triggered record means current incident record. Okay, and also I'll put one more condition, it should be open, active is true. So like that we'll get the count for all the incident record which having the same configuration item like our newly incident record. Okay, then I click on done. After that what we need to do, we have to put a if condition, like if count is greater than 5, so that is our condition. So I'll just put if incident count is greater than 5. Okay, so for that what I need to do, so you see that like count variable is there, right? So I'll just drag and drop here count is greater than 5. So till this, if our condition is ready, if count is greater than 5, then what I need to do? If count is greater than 5, so before we have to create a problem record, right? So before creating the problem record, what we need to do? Firstly, we have to check, is our problem record, is any problem record already existed with the same configuration item? Okay, so for that we have to click on action again, and again search for lookup records. Okay, and this time we have to select the table that is problem. Why problem? Because we have to find, is there any problem record is available with the same configuration item which we want to create. So I'll put the condition configuration item is same as triggered record. So I'll just click on here and click incident record, then I click on here, and then I'll click on configuration item, and I'll put like, is that problem record is active. Okay, so once I done, so till this step we are done. Like if, so it means that like our configuration record, if any configuration record is active, then do nothing. Okay, but if configuration record is not found, means if count is 0, okay, so what we to do? So we have to check if the count for lookup records is count. So if I click on if again, and if problem count is 0, so you see that like lookup records for problem records, here the count variable is there, right? I'll just drag and drop, is 0. So what we need to do? So in that case we have to create a problem record. Okay, if means none of the it means none of the existing problem is found with the same configuration item record, then create a new problem record. So I'll just click on action, and here I'll just click on create record action. Okay, then I'll click it, and after that what I need to do? I have to select the table. So table is our problem table. Okay, and after that what I need to do? We have to put like what field value want to set into the problem record. So maybe first I want to set the problem statement, so that is short description. So that will be like repeated 5 incidents for CI, and CI will be the dynamic one, right? So I'll just here click on triggered incident record, and from here just click configuration item, and from here I'll just click it. So I'll just see if name is there. Definitely name will be there, so I'll just take that one. Yes. And what else I need to set? Let me set the description. Description is something like more than 5 incidents repeated. Okay, so till this you are good, right? Means till this what we have done. If you know till this much what we have done, we have created the problem record. Okay, now what we need to do? We have to what we need to? We have to link that problem record with our all the incidents which having the same configuration item, which have the same configuration item. Okay, so for that I'll again click on plus icon, and this time I'll use the for each loop, because I want to iterate to all of the incident records. So here you see that like lookup records for incident records, and just click it. Once this much is done, what I need to do? We have to update the incident record with their what is that called? With their I didn't get, yeah, there one field is there, that problem in the incident in incident record. We have to update their problem our problem record ID. Okay, so I'll just click on done here. I just click on here action, and I'll search for update record. You see that, right? Once I click on update record, what I need to do, I just need to select the data field from here. So you see that like under for each, this incident record is there. So I'll just drag it here. Okay, and here what I need to do, update the field problem field. So I'll update the problem field problem with the which one we have to the problem record ID. So that is with the problem record which you have created here. You see that, right, in step 5. So I'll just update it here. Okay, and additionally we can update their work notes as well, like means work notes will be, incident work notes will be like auto linked to the problem record. Okay, and it's done. So I think it's done, and let me activate it. Okay, looks good. Let me test it. So I'll just came here, I'll just click on incident.do, and I'll quickly create 6 incidents. Okay, so this time testing for, I'm just taking the our configuration item 3D pinball. So all other remaining 5 incidents, I'm going to take the same configuration ID, same configuration item. Okay, I'll just submit it. Now 5 incidents I've created. Now I'm going to create a 6th incident with the same configuration ID, float test 6, and let me save it, this one. Okay, and now we'll go to the related records. I'll see any new problem got created or not. So let me refresh that. So it's not created. Okay, so we'll go to the flow and checking the execution here, why it's not has been created. So let me see. Oh, is there any problem with that? Let's check our flow. Anything wrong we have did? So if you see, like I have debug it here, and it's showing incident count is greater than 5. But however, if you created more than 5 incidents, right? So let me see, is there any wrong thing in the condition itself? Let me see here. Okay, is 5. It should be greater than 5. Sorry, my bad. So I think this is the problem, and let me put done here, and I'll activate it. And this time I'm not going to create again 6 incidents. So for the testing purpose, I'll take this incident. Okay, this already having the same this incident only, and this already having the 6 incident with the same configuration item. So I'll just click on test. I'll just click it here. I'll just click on run test, and you see that like problem record got created, right? And if I'll open it, you see that like their problem statement description also there, and all 6 incidents got tagged to that. Okay, so let me iterate what we have done it here. Okay, firstly we have put the trigger condition, like if any incident record got created or updated, and if their configuration item is not empty, then trigger it. Then second thing, we have to get the count. So firstly we have to look up the records, means we have to find all the incident records which having the same configuration item as the triggered incident record. Okay, once we look up it, then we have it get the count. We'll compare. If the incident count is greater than 5, then what we need to do, we have to check any problem record is already open for that. We are checking it here by using the lookup for problem records. Okay, and if we found if they found the count is 0, means no active problem record is there for that same configuration item. Then what we are doing, we are creating the problem here, means problem in the problem record we are creating by putting this problem statement and description. And after that we are linking the problem record with the active incident which having the same configuration item. So for that we are using the for each loop for iteration purpose, and then we are updating their problem field and their work notes into the incident records. So like that we are doing. So I think you got it, and if you still have any doubt, please write in the comment box. Till that time, thank you. God bless you all.